In its continuous effort to help the poor and weaker section of the society, the Shilem Jingerap Yakipaduk Urupang recently donated blankets, warm clothes, utensils, etc. to 7 households at a program held at Maukar Christian Higher Secondary School, Shillong. Speaking on the occasion, Batasi TV producer Meban Kher Lapang lauded the effort of the organization to help the families belonging to the lower income groups. Lapang also said that Batasi TV will join in this initiative from next year to reach out to more families.
Nasongo pala ya keneka Shilem Jingerap Yakipaduk Urupang. Nomor ba kidan gun kibrio kiba wa penyerap. Hendrai kiduna pat kibatri. Kiban imsengi, kiban IT ya kapor Christmas menyusui pi, kadang kapor beri kurikam menikyo lihat, lihat riam lihat bed, dan bahwa pemeriksaan sebar pertai. Hendai ini kirang ba kibadan ini khmat, ki IT lede, ki perut ya kapor kecuali, nak benta panlum panwa di kita kiberi kibadan kami saya di Jingerap.
And now the weather report.